birds. Oh, yeah. We got one rolling back. We got both of them rolling back. Ignition start. I'm starting the APU. My aircraft.
Your aircraft.
Get at the QR engine.
Priority left.
Loss of thrust on both engines. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Cactus 1549. Hit birds. We've lost thrust on both engines. We are turning back towards LaGuardia.
Okay, you need to return to LaGuardia. Turn left heading 220.
220.
Which engine did you lose?
Both engines.
If you remaining engine mode selector ignition. Ignition?
Ignition.
Thrust levers confirm idle.
Idle.
Airspeed, optimum relay 300 knots. We don't have that.
No, we don't.
Cactus 1549, if we can get it for you, do you want to try to land runway 13?
We are unable. We may end up in the Hudson.
Emergency electrical power, emergency generator not online.
Online.
ATC notified squawk 7700. Distress message transmit, we did that.
Cactus 1549, it's going to be left traffic, runway 31.
Unable.
Okay, what do you need to land?
Wind shear.
Back one off, then on.
It's been 10 seconds, Captain. Come on. Talk to me. Cactus 1549, runway 4 is available if you want to make left traffic to runway 4.
I don't think we can make any runway. What about over to our right? Anything in New Jersey, maybe Teterboro?
Okay, yeah, off your right side is Teterboro Airport. A LaGuardia departure, got emergency inbound.
This is Teterboro Tower, go ahead.
Cactus 1549 over the GW Bridge. Needs to go to the airport right now.
Check, does he need assistance?
Yes, bird strike. Can I get him in for runway 1? Cactus 1549, you want to try and go to Teterboro?
Obstacle. Pull up.
Clear of conflict.
No reload after 30 seconds, engine master 1 and 2 confirm off.
Off.
Wait 30 seconds.
Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
500.
Cactus 1549, turn right 280. You can land runway 1 Teterboro.
We can make it.
Okay, which runway would you like at Teterboro?
Go ahead, try number 1.
Number 1. No relay.
We're going to end up in the Hudson.
Too low. Terrain.
I'm sorry, say again, Cactus?
Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain.
All right, let's put the flaps out. Put the flaps out.
Flaps out.
Cactus 1549, radar contact lost. You also got Newark off you at 2 o'clock in about 7 miles.
Got flaps out. 250 feet in the air.
Pull up.
170 knots. Got no power in either one. Try the other one.
Try the other one.
249?
Terrain.
Still out?
150 knots.
Terrain.
Got flaps 2. You want more?
No, let's do it.
You got runway 29 available at Newark. It'll be 2 o'clock at 7 miles.
You got any ideas?
Caution. Terrain.
Actually, not.
Terrain. Terrain. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
We're going to brace.
Pull up.
30.